Today at Mumbai Press Club, a press meet was taken by Mr. Harsh Agarwal, who is the co-founder of Rain Technologies. Let me tell you, this is a very good news for stock investors and stock brokers as well. Rain platform is the innovation of Raghu Kumar, who is widely known for his first venture, Upstock, India's second largest stock brokerage. Upstock is reported to be valued at $5.3 billion and Raghu retains its largest individual shareholding as per public records. You ask any trader and they will tell you that trading is a very lonely activity. To make it more fun and professional, Mr. Raghu Agarwal has launched Rain platform and trading room. Trading room allows anybody the ability to come in, set up their trading room and start building up a track record on the platform. Others can come in, discover the trading rooms of their choice, subscribe to them and take all the trades by linking their brokerage account in a compliant manner. Trading rooms is open to invite only users through 18th December. Post 18th December, it is available to all. Trading rooms is not just about automation. Trading room is also highly social. Each member can set up their own wall like a LinkedIn, Facebook, follow others and participate in a highly social environment. Members can also chat with each other within a trading room. To get all the latest updates, hello friends, welcome to Saharadhika News Channel. Today we are at Mumbai Press Club and we are sitting with Mr. Harsh Agarwal, who is the co-founder of Trading Room. He has recently launched Rain platform, which is a platform which is made easy for the users so that he can conveniently invest in share market. We will get all the details from Mr. Agarwal. Sir, welcome to Saharadhika News Channel. Today you have took a press conference regarding the Rain platform and you have introduced it. So can you tell the audience exactly what it is? Because we see that there are lots of traders online who are very happy doing the normal routine and they are used to it. So what are the benefits which Rain platform will give?
So the first benefit that we're trying to solve for is that trading and investing is a very time-consuming activity. Users spend countless number of hours, in front of their trading screen, trying to trade, trying to learn how to trade, and so on and so forth. Through our application now, what we're trying to tell users is that you do not need to do that anymore. You're able to save time. You come onto the application and you're able to go about discovering a trading room. A trading room is typically a room, an investment or trading room, wherein which an expert advisor or a professional investor or it could be even a stock enthusiast, they come in and they conduct the trading and investing activity on that room. If I am a member of the room, I can just go about following that room and thereafter all the trades or the investments that are done by that room are essentially taken in my brokerage account in an automated manner. This saves me the time, this saves me the potential knowledge that I need to have about trading and investing. It makes the entire process very easy. What we've also gone about doing is we have gone about introducing a lot of the social networking tools and technologies that are available to us into the application, through which you're able to go about communicating with the host of a room or the other members in the room. See, social investing is very lonely. We don't talk about trading and investing as much amongst our friends. But now through this, we're able to go about conversing, we're able to ideate, share our ideas, gather information, and based on which we can go about making our decisions. So this entire application makes trading and investing a little bit more community driven, a little bit more social in the way in which people interact with each other.
Usually when we see that when it comes to trading, people are very much they are very delicate to dealing with the agent because they are not confident that whether we are dealing with the right agent or no. And you are telling that in this group chat you are making so that the trading should not be lonely and it would help the people to get their returns also. So how safe it is? My question is the Rain platform very safe to use?
So any form of trading or investing has the risks of markets going up and down. There's no true things about it. That's just the nature of the market. But what happens is you're able to now discuss if things go wrong. You're able to discuss with people as to why things are going wrong. You can learn from the entire process. The second thing is, now you mentioned that a lot of people use agents tips, which is a huge industry in our country. We do not know whether the person who's going about giving a tip is good or bad because we don't have any history of how they've done in the past. But now, if you come onto our application, every single decision which is made by any owner of a trading room, it gets recorded. So there is a history which is available, a performance or some basis of the past performance is basically available for users to go about relying on before they make any decision. Now the user has all the information beforehand and he's able to make a calculated decision whether to invest with the room or not. The issue is the lack of information. We provide all of that information through which the users can thereafter make a decision to invest. Of course, all the market risks which are there in the stock markets are available here as well. That is the nature of the industry. We do not go about trying to solve that problem, but we're trying to make the whole thing a little bit more, democratic in the way in which people communicate with each other. Say, for example, you make an investment and it goes back. You can go about at least discussing with other people as to why it went back. Was the company bad? Was your timing wrong? What was the process through which your investment or trade went back? You can learn from the entire process so that you at least reduce the possibility of repeating those mistakes going forward.
You have mentioned in your press note that Upstox is a very famous portal also, and all Indians almost who are into share market trading, they trust this website, and there are very reliable websites as well. But in regards to this Rain platform, many youngsters are there and many old people are also there. So they would like to know that what type of advantage will it bring by using Rain platform, and what are the conditions for using it?
So there are no conditions per se for using the platform. It is an open platform where anybody can come and either become a member of a room or even create a room. We do not stop anybody from doing either of the two activities, and we allow for the users in the platform itself to conduct and direct themselves. The benefits are very straightforward. That it helps you first save time. If you are trading or investing on your own, it's a very time-consuming activity. You don't need to go about trading or investing on your own anymore. You have basically rooms through which you can do it. Once you go about joining a room, you're able to automate the entire trading activity. If you automate the trading activity, you're only required to see the performance or whatever it is whenever it is convenient to you. You don't need to be on your phone or in front of a screen all the time to trade or invest. This is one of the major benefits. The second benefit, it makes the entire process a lot more enjoyable because I'm able to communicate with people. It could be my peers, it could be my friends. To give you an example, let's say I'm a student in a college and I want to trade with my friends. I cannot do that today in a typical application. I have to do everything on my own account. But so the entire application is very social. To give you an example, let's say you want to trade with your friends. You cannot do that today on a typical stock brokerage application, but through trading rooms you're able to do that. All you have to do is go create a trading room. After that you invite your friends to join your room. Once they join your room, whenever you buy and sell a stock, all your friends are also being able to buy and sell the same stock. So this whole process becomes very social. Same application will be extended even to, let's say, your workspace. You want to trade and invest with your colleagues, you can do that. You want to go about trading a trading group only for your family, even that can be done. The applications are well beyond just merely wanting to make a profit or to go about running a professional trading outfit. The other benefits of trading is that it is generally very, automation helps in reducing errors. When someone is going about trading, you can have computers which trade for you and so on and so forth. The number of errors you make reduces. It takes away the requirement of you having to go about spending a lot of time to learn about trading and investing. You have experts that can come in and trade for you. So you can choose a room which fits your trading needs and you can become a member of it.
Okay, my last question to you. There are many securities like Kotak Securities are there. They charge a certain number of brokerage, and there are many other firms also. So, what would be your charges for this?
So, for a user to open an account with trading room, there are no charges whatsoever. When you go about trading through the application, whatever brokerage your broker charges you, you have to pay that to the broker itself. That doesn't change. But if you become a member of a room, the members or the host of the room can charge you a membership fee. Most rooms are free of cost, but if there are certain rooms that had a membership, you have to pay that membership fee, and only then you're able to access the facilities of that room. The fees could be as less as 100 rupees up to tens of thousands of rupees, depending on what the host of the room has gone about prescribing the room's fee price.
Thank you.
Angry.
Thank you so much.
You are Harsh Agarwal.
So I can go? Or
Yes, yes. Welcome so much. Friends, this was Harsh Agarwal from Trading Rooms, and he has clearly stated that Rain platform is a very safe platform, and people can invest in group also, and it is a very automated platform, so there are very less chances of errors happening in that, because it's a very professional platform as well, and there are no membership fees also. So he has clearly told all these points. To get all the updates from our news channel, keep watching Star Adhikar. Thank you so much.